Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get rare lemonade cat skins in Tower Heroes. While a specific Valkyrie skin isn't listed, many special skins are available through unique events. These limited-time opportunities are your best bet for adding a powerful or visually distinct lemonade cat to your collection. Keep an eye on official announcements to ensure you don't miss out. A great example of a rare skin is the Hilo Lemonade Cat. This skin was a free, limited-time reward, obtainable on April 18, 2025, by using the code DEVHIO during a special in-game event. Such opportunities are often tied to specific dates or celebrations, making them highly sought after. Always be ready to log in and claim these exclusive items. Beyond specific codes, other rare lemonade cat skins can sometimes be found in special in-game crates or bundles. Participating in seasonal events, like Halloween or anniversary celebrations, often provides chances to earn exclusive rewards. Always check the in-game shop frequently, as new offerings or rotating selections might appear, giving you another chance to expand your collection. To ensure you never miss a chance to get a new lemonade cat skin, it's crucial to stay connected. Follow the official Tower Heroes social media channels and join their community forums or Discord server. Developers frequently announce upcoming events, codes, and new skin releases there. Being proactive will help you acquire those rare and special skins as soon as they become available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.